So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about learning platform for AI. Okay, we are going to talk about learning platform for AI. Okay, so some students send me message, hey Nidhi, can you recommend some learning platform for AI that is beginner friendly and worth premium based on your experience. Okay, so that's why I'm going to talk about learning platform for AI. So first platform that is Coursera. Okay, Coursera. 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 But it is birth premium. Coursera are designed and taught by top universities and industry leaders. For example, Stanford, DeepLearning.AI, and Google. Clearly learning path from beginner to intermediate. Okay, and recommended track are AI for everyone. Okay, AI for everyone by Andrew NZ. Okay, so non-technical student can also learn from this course. Okay, and it is excellent for starting point. And machine learning specialization. It is also by Andrew NG. And deep learning specialization. Okay. So who this is best for? Learning who want credibility, structure, and certificate. People who value conceptual clarity over shortcuts. Okay. And pricing subscription based pricing premium is justified if you follow the specialization end to end. Okay, and second platform is Udacity. Udacity, Udacity, best career oriented AI learning. Okay, why it is worth premium? Strongly focus on practical implementation and industry use cases. Program are tightly structured with the real world project. Mentorship, code review, and career support are included in premium plan. And this program recommended programs, for example, AI programming with Python, intro to machine learning with PyTorch. Okay, who this is best for? Learning aiming to transition into AI related roles, those who learn best by building project rather than watching lecture. Okay, and pricing higher cost, but value is strong if you are actively complete the project. And third platform is DataCamp, best for gentle and hands-on beginner. Okay, why it is worth? Extremely beginner friendly with interactive low friction exercise. Focus on Python, data handling, and applied machine learning. Excellent platform for building a confidence quickly. Okay, recommended track data science with Python, machine learning fundamentals. Okay, who this is best for? Non technical or semi technical learner, professional who want AI literacy with the practical skills, not deep theory. Okay, and fourth is DeepLearning.AI, DeepLearning. Okay, DeepLearning.AI. By it is birth premium. Content is designed by Andrew Ng's team and it consistently high quality. Okay, explain by think work, not just how. Excellent bridge between beginner and intermediate AI. Okay, and recommended course AI for everyone, chat GPT prompt engineering for developers, machine learning engineer for production. Okay, and who this is best for? Learning who want long term understanding, not trend driven learning. Okay, and fifth one that is last, plural sites. Okay, Pluralsight. Okay, plural site. Why it is worth? Strong for engineers and IT professional, adding AI/ML to an existing skill sets. Skill assessment help identify gaps. Content is concise and well organized. Who this is best for? Software engineer, data engineer or IT profession. Okay, so if you are starting from scratch and want a premium experience that is genuinely worth the money, so start with DeepLearning.AI, AI for everyone. Okay, and move to the Coursera machine learning specialization and DataCamp if you want more hands-on practical with Python. Okay, and consider Udacity only if your goal is career transition. Okay guys, so here in this video we can see here I'm going to share my screen. I will show you everything. So here first of all we need to check Coursera. Okay guys, so this is Coursera. Okay, you need to log in here. Okay, but I'm not going to log in. Okay, you can see here courses and degrees and certificate free. They will be free or maybe paid. Okay, so these are the courses, most popular and trending courses. Okay, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, IBM Generative AI Engineering course, Google AI Assistant, AI for Business. Okay, so these are the courses. IBM RAG and Agentic AI. So these are the course and data science, data analyst. Okay. Okay, so you can go and learn from here. They also have free courses as well, paid. Okay, after this, we can move on Udacity. Okay, so here Udacity, this is Udacity. Okay, this is for individual, this is for business. Okay, so here skill development that driven result. Okay, hands on learning, personalized support, and measurable outcomes. And these are the skills: generative AI, agentic AI, AI programming with Python, product manager, AI training strategies. Okay, so I'm going to click on generative AI. Okay, so here you can see generative AI course, monthly subscription. This one 8,956. Okay, and here include a individual course for 42,000. Okay, approx. And monthly 8,956. Or you can cancel anytime. Unlimited access to 100 of top rated courses. Okay guys, so if you want to learn generative AI, you can go for this. Okay, or if you want to learn machine learning or AI, so ML with Andrew NG. Okay, so this is a very good course by Andrew NG, machine learning specialization. Okay, if you want to learn machine learning, so you can buy this course from Coursera, machine learning specialization. Okay. Okay, so you can see here content of course, supervised machine learning, advanced learning algorithm, unsupervised learning. Okay, and after this we can check deep learning.ai. Okay, so this is deeplearning.ai. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, so here you can see learn to build agentic AI with Andrew NG. Okay, so and deep learning. This is the website name, deeplearning.ai. Ai. Okay, so you can explore the courses from here. Okay, so they have a short course. Okay, membership community. Okay, so here you can see all courses. Okay, so you can search from here short courses. Okay, so these are the short courses: multi-vector image retrieval, semantic catching for AI agent, building coding agent with tools like this. Okay, Jupyter AI coding in Notebook. Okay, so here after this you can search for beginner. Okay, so building with Llama for these are the short courses for beginner. Or we can search short courses for intermediate. Okay, so agentic AI, knowledge graph, construction. Okay, so these are the courses. MCP, build rich context AI app with Anthropic. Okay, guys, so you can also search agents. Okay, so these courses are developed by Andrew Ng and by Andrew Ng and his team. Okay, so you can go and learn from here. Okay, mostly they are providing free courses mostly, and like if you want to learn from advanced courses, then they will be charged for it. Okay, and after this I am move on data camp. Okay, so this is fourth platform you can learn from DataCamp. Where is DataCamp? Okay, so first of all, you need to register here and then log in. After this, you can see here recommended for AI beginners. Okay, understand ChatGPT 8 AI fundamentals. Okay, so these are the courses: understand prompt engineer, understand ChatGPT, introduction to the AI agent. Okay, so these are the courses, or you can search from here. Okay, fast API. So these are the course ready to apply your skills. Okay, deploying AI into production with fast API. Okay, so after this, my third is Pluralsight. So here we can search Pluralsight. Okay, so here Pluralsight also provide online courses. So here we can go and we can search for courses. So here you can see courses: software development, okay, database, game development, mobile development, programming language, web development, security, IT ops, business proportional data and machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI, artificial. So you can search here. They have lots of syllabus or lots of courses based on software engineering, security, cyber security, data and machine learning, business proposals. Okay, data analysis, agentic AI, lang graph, lang chain. Okay, so you can go and learn from here. Okay, guys, so my first website is Coursera. Okay, and second is Udacity. I already talk about it, like uh, how it is important. Okay, and third is DeepLearning.AI. This one. Okay, and after this, fourth is DataCamp, and fifth is Pluralsight. Okay, so you can go and learn from here, or you can learn from YouTube as well. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please do comment, like, and share. Bye bye. Take care.